Teen sensation Demi Lovato is having a great year. She performed at the kids' inaugural ball and met the Obama girls. And she's also starring in the new Disney series, Sunny with a Chance. Good morning, Demi.
Good morning.
First of all, how was the ball?
It was awesome. It was incredible. We got to perform for families who had family members who were overseas and everything like that. So the fact that we got to perform and make people smile who were dealing with that was just incredible.
Wow.
And then not only to perform for the first family was amazing too.
What were Sasha and Malia like?
It was so funny because you meet, the president's daughters and you expect them to, I don't know, they just were totally normal.
What did you say to them?
I was like, I bet you're really tired.
And what did they say?
I forget which one looked at me and was like, yeah. I was like, oh, poor girls. But they looked like they were having fun.
Also there were the Jonas Brothers, but you've
Yes.
been on tour with them. What's it like touring with the Jonas Brothers?
It's really fun. It really is. They're hilarious guys. And, I love them. They're awesome.
All right, let's talk about Sunny with a Chance. Congratulations on this new series. What is it about?
Thank you. It's about a girl named Sunny it's actually like a show about a show, but a girl named Sunny who gets to be on her favorite television show, and it's awesome.
That's you in that outfit.
Yes, that is also a fat suit.
So wait, explain what's going on in this episode here.
Well, right here I am meeting the star of the rival show, and I'm totally starstruck by him, but he's kind of a jerk, and it's awesome. He's not a jerk in real life, though. He's awesome.
Can you relate at all to this character that you're playing?
Yes, I can, because I can't tell you how many times I've been to an award show or I've been someplace and have been totally starstruck, and I feel like my character, Sunny. And
by who? Like who are you starstruck by?
Okay,
who impresses you?
Okay, I nearly died when I met Motley Crue. I nearly died.
Motley Crue? Wait, you're too young. How old are you?
I'm 16.
How do you know who Motley Crue is? That is like hair band, glam rock from the 80s.
They're awesome.
And you grew up listening to them? How do you even know?
No, I didn't grow up listening to them. I got into them over the past few years, but you should have seen me. I was just like, hi, Nikki.
Nikki Sixx?
Yes.
And then what'd you say to see Tommy Lee?
I followed them around. I felt like my character. My character would have done that. But
That's
it was
very
awesome.
cute.
I met all of them. They were really cool.
Now, you also have a new album coming out, don't you?
I do. Well, I just came out with an album called Don't Forget back in September, and it seems like forever ago, but I'm already releasing the deluxe edition, so I'm very, very excited. It comes out in February. There's crazy new pictures and lots of bonus footage, actually, of just clips from behind the scenes that me and the Jonas Brothers had on tour or in the studio, things that I showed my mom last night, because I was showing my mom, I was like, Mom, look what you missed out on. You didn't get to be in the studio with me, but here, you can see it now.
Wow.
So it's cool.
Do you ever have time you sound so busy, do you ever have time to just relax and be a kid and have fun with girlfriends?
I am a kid right now, and I am totally relaxed, so I guess so.
Well, best of luck to you, Demi Lovato.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.